hanggang gumulong ang luha. Hanggang
nag-aaral ah. Hindi ka ba nakapagod? Pahinga ka muna. Ito anak. Tubig. Inom ka. Thank you po. O anak, di ba malapit na lang ang debut mo?
Oo nga po, Nay.
Di ba matagal mo na pinapangarap na magkaroon ng isang malaking party?
Kaya nga po eh, kaya lang.
Kaya lang ano, bakit? Wala po. Alam ko naman gusto mo yun, di ba? Alam mo naman anak na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo, di ba? Kaya nga nagtatrabaho kami ng mabuti para mabigyan ka ng mabuting pamumuhay at isang masayang debut.
Talaga po?
Oo.
Mami, salamat po! Thank you, thank you!
Parang graduate. Oh, magkadikit kayo dapat ha. Oh, yung ulo ilagay sa balikat ni Mami ha. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Oh, magharap kayo. Oh, as if na masayang-masaya kayo talaga sa graduation.
No, sandali lang po! Patingin ang picture! Patingin po!
Eto. Oh, di ba? Mukhang successful na talagang anak mo. Magkamukha pa. Oh, di ba?
Salamat po!
Sige. Iha, marami ng taon ang iyong sinanay para makapagtapos ng iyong kurso. Sana maging matagumpay ka sa iyong karera sa huli. Naway patnubayan ka ng Diyos. Congratulations.
Salamat po!
Ma'am, good morning. Mr. Darashon, your credentials are highly qualified, but for the moment, the job you're applying for is not available. So I'll give you a probationary job for the moment, and I'll observe you. Would that be okay? Okay, ma'am. I accept the job you're offering. I accept it. It's okay. Lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa mababang pwesto eh. So, konting tiyaga lang, Mr. Darashon. And so, welcome. Welcome to CMEC Motor. Thank you po. Alam ko naman po yun eh. Hindi ko lang po talaga kailangan. Kaso, nandito na.
50% discount! Ma'am! Sir! 50% discount! Sir! 50% discount! Thank you, ma'am! Good morning! 50% Ay, salamat! Isa na lang! Sir! 50% discount!
Iha, alam kong marami kang problema ang pinadaanan ngayon sa buhay mo.
Po?
Alam kong malalampasan mo yan. Kaya heto, tanggapin mo ang ibibigay ko sa'yo. Basta, malalaman mo lang yan sa takdang panahon at lubayan ka nawa ng Diyos, Iha.
Ito? Magtiwala sa Panginoon? Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Ma'am, Mr. Darashon? Yes, ma'am. Mr. Darashon, you're hired. Welcome to callback. Your shift is from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. Are you sure you can do it? Yes, ma'am. I'm very willing to take this job and I need this job badly. I hope you love your job. Good luck, Miss Retirasyon. Hello, good morning. Welcome to American Express. How can I help you? Yes, ma'am. Hold on. Yes, ma'am. How is your first time? Oh, I'm doing good, ma'am. Keep it up. Thank you, ma'am. Kaya ko to. Sana ako. Please have a seat. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. May I have your resume? So, Miss Retirasyon, what do you think are your qualities that will prove to me that I need to accept you? Ma'am, I assure you, I'm very patient and hardworking and I'm willing to do everything to have this job. You need to understand that teaching is not a joke, Miss Retirasyon. I do understand, ma'am. But what I can see here is that you're a graduate of BS Education in Los Baños, UP Los Baños, am I right? Yes, ma'am. So it's a very good school. Thank you. Okay. So, Miss Retirasyon, congratulations. You're accepted in our institution. Thank you, ma'am. May you enjoy teaching in our school. Thank you. Your new teacher in chemistry lab in the person of Miss Retirasyon. So, Miss Retirasyon just graduated their master's degree in chemistry in UP Los Baños. So, she will take over me for a matter of 2 months because I will be on maternity leave. So, I will operate with her. Good morning, class. Good morning. Okay, guys, before we start on our experiment, I will first tell you our rules and regulations. Number 1, no running or eating inside. Hindi ko ninais maging guro. Ako'y nag-aral ng mabuti at sumikap hanggang makatungtong ng kolehiyo. Pa ako ng kurso para maging guro. Nagbutihan ko yon. Sumikap. Kasi alam ko naman na ang pagiging guro lamang ang tanging makakaya ng aking mga magulang. Hindi ko naman talaga gustong maging guro eh. Alam niyo yon? Hindi ko ito pinangarap nung bata pa ako. Kasi ewan ko nga ba? Bakit nakatungtong ako dito? Marami akong pinagdaanan. Marami akong kinuhang trabaho. Nagbenta ako kung saan-saan. Nag-call center. Nagpamigay-migay ng mga sulat-sulat. Hindi ako naging masaya. Hindi ako nagtagumpay. Alam kong magiging matagumpay ako sa karerang pinili ko.